Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Ten Best Portable Inverter Generator of We are going to check out top 10 best portable inverter generator in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this portable inverter generator, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
GOLABS R300 Portable Power Station, 299 watt Life EPO4 battery backup with 300W pure sine wave AC peak, 500W car outlets, PD60W quick in /out solar generator for outdoor camping emergency CPAP orange, UPGR-ADD-LIFFEPO4 battery power supply. One important advantage of Life EPO4 batteries over other types of batteries is thermal and chemical stability, which improves battery safety. It offers GOLABS Portable Power Station 2,000 cycles and more than 10 years using time. 60 WPD quick charge and versatile outputs. GOLABS Portable Power Station build in 1*60 WPPD. Input/output bone *30 WPD Type C.
Top 9.
GENKINS 2300 watt portable inverter generator ultra quiet gas powered RV ready CARB EPA complied shipped to 50 states and Puerto Rico. 2300 peak watt and 1900 running watt powered by GENKINS industrial class 79 K 4-stroke OHV engine. 1.36 gal gas tank give you 8 hours run time at 50% load. 53 to 56 dBA low noise level, ultra quiet when it's 13 feet away from your window, RV and camper friendly. At 48 ohms, can be carried around by any grown adults, no lifting tool required.
Top 8.
ECOFLOW River Pro Portable Power Station 720 watt. Power multiple devices, recharge 0 to 80% within 1 hour for camping, RV, outdoors, off-grid. Recharge from 0 to 80% within 1 hour. The patented ECOFLOW Extreme technology enables you to charge the River Pro from 0% 80% within 1 hour and offers a full charge in just 1.6 hours. Power a wide range of appliances. With a built-in 600W inverter, the River Pro can power some devices up to 1,800W with the X-Boost mode on, which lets you power about 80% of essential devices like kitchen appliances and DIY tools. Please conduct full test on a case-by-case basis to see if the
Top 7.
GENMAX Portable Inverter Generator 3000 200W Ultra Quiet Gas Engine and RV Ready, EPA Compliant, Eco Mode feature, ultra lightweight for backup home use and camping. GM 3000 200i. Strong power. GM 3000 200i uses newest high-speed 5.2 HP 145 KEX gas engine. Output 3,200 surging watts and 2,800 running watts. This powerful inverter generator is the dream ideal product for emergency home backup power, job site use, tailgate, or camping with your RV.
Top 6.
WEN 56380 Super Quiet 3,800 watt RV ready portable inverter generator with fuel shutoff and electric start. Dimensions: 23.2 LX18 WX 20.1 H weight, 99.2 pounds. EPA II and CARB compliant. 212 4-stroke OHV engine produces 3,800 surge watts and 3,400 rated watts with a half-load runtime of up to 8.5 hours. Fuel shutoff maximizes the generator's lifespan by
Top 5.
Westinghouse IGEN 4000 500 super quiet portable inverter generator, 4,500 peak watts and 3,700 rated watts. Remote electric start with auto choke, wheel and handle kit. RV ready, gas powered, parallel capable. 3700 rated watts and 4500 peak watts at less than 3% THD. Telescoping handle. Gas powered. Remote start with included key fob, electric and recoil start. Features a 520R120V duplex household outlet, an RV-ready T30R30 amp outlet, and 2 USB outlets. Great choice for travel trailers or home use. Strong enough to run all your essentials.
Top 4.
WEN 56235i Super Quiet 2350 watt portable inverter generator with fuel shutoff. CARB compliant, ultra lightweight, black. Ultralight body weighs in at a mere 39 pounds for easy transport and storage. Extremely quiet operation comparable to the sound of a normal conversation, according to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Produces 2350 surge watts and 1900 rated watts of clean power for safe charging of sensitive electronics, phones, tablets, televisions, computers, etc. Fuel shutoff maximizes the generator's lifespan by
Top 3.
Honda 664,240 EU 2000 200i 2200 watt portable inverter generator with co-minder. More power, same legendary quality. The EU 2000 200i delivers 10% more power than the previous EU 2000i, enabling you to power more of what you need in the same lightweight, compact package. The EU 2000 200i gives you the power to get more done. Co-MINDER, Advanced Carbon Monoxide Detection System. Co-MINDER continuously monitors carbon monoxide (CO) levels. It automatically shuts down the generator before detected CO levels near the generator become dangerously high.
Top 2.
Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 1000 1002 WA solar generator, solar panel optional, with 3x110V/1000 WAC outlets. Solar mobile lithium battery pack for outdoor RV/van camping, emergency. Massive capacity and imperiously endurance, with the 1000 W wattage and 1002 W capacity. This Explorer features 3 pure Sine wavy AC outlets, 2 USB-C, and 1 quick charge 3.0 port. It will power your full-size refrigerator, TV, mini cooler, electric grill, fan, and more for your outdoor and home needs. Up-P-Ready NDLS Solar Power. As an option to own the endless solar power.
Top 1.
Cummins Onan P4000 500i Inverter Portable Generator. Dependable 7.3 HP 224 OHV 4-stroke engine. Parallel capable with another P4000 500 inverter generator to reach 50 of power. 2 5V USB ports for charging sensitive electronics such as phones or tablets. RV and camper ready with 38 TT30R outlet. Push button and remote start with pull cord backup. Check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.